How to become a millionaire. Inject some risk into your investment portfolio. You cannot save your way to wealth. You must be willing to take some risks. Once you have built an investment portfolio with solid blue chip stocks like Costco, Home Depot, and Apple, you need to pick up some small cap stocks. Do your homework and look for small companies with high rates of growth and low amounts of debt. The goal is to identify small companies that can grow to become the next Amazon, Walmart, Facebook, or Apple. Small cap investing is about identifying the next big thing. Small cap stocks can make your money grow 5x, 10x, 20x, or 100x your original investment. If stock picking is not your cup of tea, pick up a small cap or mid cap index mutual fund. These funds will invest in much riskier companies that can generate returns in the 20 to 30% range, far surpassing the safety of a balanced fund. Small cap stocks outperform the market and offer greater rates of return during economic booms. The best time to start small cap shopping, however, is during recessionary periods. You can buy great growth companies at a tremendous discount. You can also add riskier stocks from the biopharmaceutical and technological sectors to supercharge your returns. Your portfolio will benefit by allocating at least 10 to 20% to small cap companies that have the capability of taking your thousands to the $1 million level.